Launchpad6 ContestPad is a powerful online competition and awards platform that provides organisations with the ability to create and completely white label competitions or awards to capture, approve, vote and judge submissions. In this video, we'll take you through a high-level demonstration on the key capabilities of ContestPad. The ContestPad admin dashboard is used by the admin and operations team to style, configure and administer one or more ContestPad competitions. Each competition is self-contained with its own microsite, configuration and entries. They can be promoted and managed completely separately. If you want to create multiple competitions, you can simply copy an existing or templated competition, which will copy the entire competition setup, including the website design, voting and judging configurations, forms, upload rules, and more. This enables you to quickly create competitions based on ones you have created previously. If we look at the competition microsite, this is where entrants, voters, judges and general visitors access the competition. The competition microsite can be completely styled and white labeled. ContestPad provides a powerful but simple website builder that allows you to create as many pages as you need, with each page canvas containing customizable sections or widgets which you place onto the page and style. A web page can contain static widgets, which are used for decorative and informational purposes. It can also contain competition widgets, which control some aspect of the competition. This could include counters to let people know when the upload or voting period ends, gallery and entry widgets to allow people to view, share and vote on entries, and submission forms for submitting entries. A widget can be placed on any page. For example, you can choose to put a gallery widget or a submission form widget on the home page or on their own page. Let's first look at the submission form. The submission form allows you to collect all types of information about entries. The submission form can contain customizable fields such as text boxes, radio buttons, drop-down fields, and more. You can also collect one or more files with each submission, including videos, images, PDF documents, or sound files. You can restrict the type of file size, and even limit the duration of uploaded videos. Videos can be uploaded natively, or we can also use YouTube or Vimeo links. Submissions can also be classified using categories and subcategories. Forms can be a single page or multi-page forms if there's lots of information you need to collect. You can save entries as draft, and we even support rules to only show specific pages depending on the value of other fields. We also support the ability to take payments for submissions. Once an entry form has been submitted, it can be automatically sent for approval, where a moderator can approve the entry. If the entry is approved, the entrant will receive an email stating that their entry has been approved. Alternatively, it can be rejected, and you can capture comments to be automatically sent to the entrant, letting them know why the entry was rejected. All notifications sent by the system can also be designed and white labeled. Once an entry has been approved, it can be set to display in a gallery either immediately or once voting starts. From the gallery, we can view submissions. The gallery can be styled depending on the type of competition. For example, if you're running a photo competition, masonry style galleries can be used to ensure the whole photo is displayed regardless of the orientation. Submissions can be filtered by category, or we can search for entries. Entries can also be ordered based on vote count, submission time, view count, or even randomized. To view an entry, just select the thumbnail. The full entry details will then be displayed. The information and media that are displayed can be customized to include anything that has been submitted by the entrant. This could include name, description, and even multiple media. If an entry has multiple media, these are displayed in a carousel under the main media viewer. From the main entry page, you can also share entries to social media and vote for entries. Going back to the gallery, you can also vote for entries from there if enabled. Note that the vote button will only ever be displayed if there is an active vote round. Voting in ContestPad can be restricted by rules, such as how many times you can vote for the same entry, how often you can vote, how many entries you can vote for per category or vote period, when you can vote, and more. To identify voters, you can either do this anonymously using the voter's device identifier, or you can pop up a form when a voter selects to vote to collect more information from a voter. This is a great way to collect information and rapidly build lists. Typically, you'll receive many tens, hundreds, or even thousands more contacts from votes than you will from entries. A vote form can also be completely customized with whatever fields you like, including the ability to collect payments. This is great for fundraisers to collect donations. Vote payments can be bundled into blocks, and you can create discounted blocks depending on the number of votes a voter purchases. The number of bundles, votes, and pricing is completely up to you. You can even mix free votes and paid votes, and set rules to limit the number of free votes but allow unlimited paid votes if you wish. ContestPad supports the ability to create multiple rounds of voting, so you can shortlist entries to be voted on within each round. Vote rounds can also be split into vote groups to create tournament-style competitions. Entrants can compete for votes within each group. You can then move the winners from each vote group into subsequent rounds, which can be split into smaller number of vote groups, creating a bracketed style tournament. ContestPad also supports formal judging rounds. With judging rounds, judges must have an account and belong to a judging panel in order to access the judging portal. A panel of judges can be assigned to entries for them to score. You can create one or many panels. This is great for splitting entries to panels based on categories or just for distributing workloads. Judges within a single panel will all score the same entries. Judges can filter entries based on categories and which entries have or have not been scored. ContestPad supports multiple types of scoring. These include simple ratings, assessment criteria scoring, and ranking. We also support variants of these scoring methods, combining assessment criteria with ranking and the ability to score entries based on an assessment numeric score down to 1 decimal place. To score an entry, select the entry, and then this will be displayed with the media and fields that have been submitted by the entrant. You can also customize which submitted fields are displayed. The judging portal also supports judging forms, which allows for a custom form to be provided to judges to capture comments or other feedback against each scored submission. When the entry is closed, the score provided will be visible in the judges' gallery. By default, ContestPad uses blind scoring, which means judges will only see their own score. However, ContestPad also supports the ability for judges to see other judges' scores and feedback if enabled. If ranking or simple rating is used, then these can be scored directly within the gallery. Ranking allows you to order your allocated entries from favourite to least favourite, with the highest ranked entry receiving the highest score. Rating is just a simple star rating, which is great when you're working to shortlist a large number of submissions. Once the judging round closes, the scores will be calculated for each entry, and then winners for that round can be selected. Like voting, you can run multiple judging rounds to shortlist your winners. You can even combine voting rounds with judging to shortlist winners based on a combination of scores. As you can see, ContestPad provides an impressive array of capabilities, and we have only scratched the surface on the power of ContestPad. Regardless of whether you're looking to run a fundraiser, professional business award, or even a viral-based photographic or video competition, ContestPad can handle almost every requirement. If you would like your own personalised demonstration or have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us at launchpad6.com/contact-us. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to working with you.